So guys, I installed my Injen air intake for my 3.5 EcoBoost, and I keep getting the check engine light. So I thought first the problem is here. It was not sealed good, but it ended up being this is what I needed, the vent tube. Injen used to send this one with every single kit they would sell, but they stopped sending it because apparently only the F150 or some F150s were developing the check engine light because of the vacuum. So I reached out to them. They were super cool. They charged me $3.99 for shipping. Shipped it overnight with FedEx, basically. Got a couple stickers, swag with it. So that was nice of them. But I looked on YouTube and I did not see a video of this one. So as you already know, we got to remove this vent tube right there. It's much easier if the intake is not in place, but I'm gonna try this with one hand, see if we're gonna be able to do it. I wish I could use both hands. Oh, there you go. As they say, install the opening of it towards where the airflow of the air goes, towards the turbo. So, oh, okay. That will be a problem. See, it's hitting here on this brake line, and the brake line cannot be moved. So I gotta figure out somehow a way, maybe how to drop this one in. Oh, I guess you can squeeze it in. So as you see, boys, don't be afraid to squeeze it a little bit. See that opening right there, the line that shows you which way. I don't know if you can see it good, but that line right there facing downward, it's the mark where the opening is. Let's see if this is a better angle for you. Sorry for the shaky hands and the bad angles. There you go. All we have to do now is install that hose back. That's it. This should fix the check engine light. Oh, and if you want to install I call it oil catch can. Oh shit, it's hot. You definitely should. 1 second. Bear with me. This thing is hot. I don't know if I start collecting oil after I install the intake, but as you can see, this is probably like maybe 400 miles driving it. Let's get better. So definitely collecting some. So install it. I got it on Temu, $40. They gave me a $20 coupon code, so I ended up paying $20. Perfect fit. I'll link it in the description. Thank you guys.